Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rebecca. In this video, I'm going to show you 16 most popular formula that is used in Excel. Okay, so the first one we are going to start with is the add formula. Okay, the add formula is used to add up a range of numbers. Let's say we have these values in the cells and we want to add them together. All you need to do is to type equal, click on the cell, plus, click on the cell, plus, and then click on the cell, then enter. Okay, the formula adds the three cells together. Next we have the subtract. Okay, let's say we want to subtract value 6 from value 10. Okay, so you can just type the formula equal this cell minus this cell, enter, and you can see the results 4. Then we have the multiply. Okay, multiply or multiplication formula. So let's say we want to multiply this cell with this cell. Okay, to do that, just type equal, click on the cell, then the asterisk, and then click on the next cell, enter. Okay, it multiplies the values. Then we have the division formula. Okay, let's say we have 20, okay, and then we have 2. So we want to divide. To divide, type equal, click on the cell, then use the slash, okay, divided by the cell, enter, and you have the answer. Okay, the next formula is the sum. So if you remember when we did the addition, okay, we typed equal and we click on each cell and the plus sign, each cell, the plus sign, for us to get the answer. So alternatively, we can use the sum function. The sum function is used to add up a range of numbers. So to do that, you can just type equal sum. Okay, you can double click, it opens parentheses, and then you select, okay, you select the range of cells and then close parentheses and then enter. Okay, you can see we have the same value. Okay, the next one is max. Okay, the max is used to return the largest value in a range of cells. Okay, the largest value in a range of cell. So to do that, we just need to type equal max. Okay, you can double click or you just type the max and open parentheses, and then I'm just going to select the cells. Okay, so from this 8 cells, then close parentheses, enter. Okay, we can see that the maximum value from the cell range is 20. Another formula is the mean function. Okay, we use the mean function to return the smallest value in a range of cells. Okay, so to do that, you just type equal mean. Okay, you can double click, open parentheses, select the range of cells, and then close bracket. Then you have the minimum value in the cell. Okay, the next one is the average. Okay, the average, the formula, you just need to type equal AVE, average, and then you can just select the cells, close parentheses, enter, and you have the average. Okay, the average of this cell range is 8.75. Then the next one is the median. The median. So you type equal median. Okay, select the cells, close bracket, then you have the median. The next one is the count function. The count function. The count function is used to count cells with numeric values. It is used to count cells with numeric values, means that it's going to count cells that has numbers as values. Okay, so let's type equal count. Okay, count. I'm going to select all of these cells. Okay, close bracket. Okay, you can see that we have just 8. Okay, we have 8 cells with numbers. Okay, I'm going to type letters here. Okay, we can see that the value is not changing. Okay, so it only counts the cells with numeric values. Then the next one we are going to look at is the count A. The count A. Now the count A is very similar to count. However, it is different. What count A does is to count the cells that are not empty. Okay, count the cells that are not empty. Whether it is letters, whether it is numbers, it counts the cell. So far it is not empty. Okay, so equal count A. Okay, I'm going to highlight all of this, then close parentheses, enter. Okay, we can see that it counts the cells with both numeric values and alphabets. Okay, the next formula is the if function. So the if function is a conditional function that allows you to perform different actions based on whether a specific condition is true or false. So let's say that I want to display a yes if the value in a specific cell is greater than 9. Okay, let's type the formula. I'm going to type equal if, open parentheses, if this cell, okay, the value in this cell is greater than 9, okay, comma, what should it display? It should display yes, comma, if it is not greater than 9, then it should display no. Okay, close parentheses, enter. Okay, so the value here is greater than 9, so it displays yes. Okay, I'm going to try to change the value. Okay, change the value, then enter. Okay, so the value is not greater than 9, so it displays no. The next formula is the count if. Okay, the count if function. Now, this function is used to count the number of cells that meets a specific condition. Okay, the number of cells that meets a specific condition. So let's say I want to know how many cells from this range, okay, has the value 6. To do that, you just need to type equal count if, okay, open parentheses. So the cell range from this, okay, C1 to D4, then comma, if the value is 6, close parentheses, enter. Okay, so we can see that it is 3 cells that has the value 6. The next formula is the round function. Okay, so we use the round function to round a number to a specific number of digits. Okay, let's say I want to round 7.75 to 1 decimal place. Okay, to do that, I'm just going to type equal round, click on the cell, comma, to, you can see the number of digits, so I want to round it to 1. Okay, 1 decimal place. Okay, you can see 7.8. Okay, let's say I want to round it to 0 decimal place. Okay, it rounds it to 0 decimal place. The next formula is the sum if function. Okay, the sum if function is used to add up the values in a range that meets a specific condition. So let's say that I only want to add up the values in this cell range that are less than 3. Okay, the values that are less than 3, 1, 2, and 2 are the values less than 3. To do that, type equal sum if, open parentheses, and then select the range. then comma. Okay, if the value is less than 3, then close parenthesis, enter. Okay, so you can see that it has the values that are less than 3 together, and we have 5. The next formula is the VLOOKUP. The VLOOKUP function. The VLOOKUP function is used to perform a vertical lookup in a table and returns the value. Okay, it performs a vertical lookup in a table and returns the value. Okay, let's say I have a table that shows country, okay, and the currency. So I have Nigeria, okay, Malaysia, and then USA. Okay, so their currency, dollar, okay, ringgit, and naira. Okay, so let's say I want to know what is the currency of the country Nigeria. To do that, I just need to type equal VLOOKUP, okay, open parenthesis. So what should it look up? It should look up Nigeria. Okay, look up Nigeria, comma, table array. In which table? Okay, table H18 to I20. Okay, comma, what is the column index number? So column index number means that where should the data be retrieved from. Okay, we want the data to be retrieved from the column for currency. Okay, so this is column 2. Then comma, so you either choose approximate match or exact match. Okay, we are going to choose exact match. Then close parenthesis and then enter. Okay, so we can see the currency of the country Nigeria is naira.